What YouTube channel should I start, guy? Hey lovelies, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to get started on YouTube. Tips. Looking for the exact idea to start on YouTube. In this video I've got you covered. All you need to do is grab your popcorn, a cup of tea, and we do this. Remember that you will need to create content often, and if you don't know what you want to be, you would likely burn out. Yeah, you could start a vlog. This is basically for people who know how to tell stories. I'd love to have a vlog someday, like when my storytelling skill matter. But then remember that the vlog is usually about you, the content creator, not actually about your viewers. That is where you see people showcasing their lifestyle or telling you their travel stories and stuff like that. It is really about them. So you may make your vlog about you, but there are pros and cons to this. For the pros, you'd likely always get content because it is actually about your life, anytime, anywhere, you're good to go. But for the cons, you may find it hard to be discoverable on YouTube. Like when people search content, people don't really search for vlog content. They actually search for other kind of content. So it means that it will take more from you to be discovered. But why not? If you're a storyteller, the moment people discover you, seriously, they'll stay glued. So you can try that out. The second is reviews. Reviews is basically about answering people's questions, products, services, affiliates. Like when the iPhone 12 came out, people wanted to know the features of the iPhone 12. You would likely always have audience, but then there are pros and cons to this. The review channel is always a very, very lucrative channel because there's easy monetization. Companies will be sorting for you to help them review their product in order for people to buy. Whatever questions they know people would ask frequently, they give their product to you to answer those questions. So you would easily get monetized. That is the pro. But for the cons, you may find it difficult to afford certain products. Like you can't afford all products, and not all companies will give you their products to review. So that is where the challenge of the review channel comes in. But it's one of the best way to get monetized on YouTube. Still on tips for YouTube channel ideas for a beginner, I have a playlist on YouTube tutorials right there in the description. Do well to click it to know just how to get started. The next we are talking about is education. All the how-tos. How to make up, how to drive, how to stroll a dog, how to this, how to that, how to cook, how to gym. Whatever how to you may think about. And the good thing about education channel is that people always sought answers. It is natural for humans to ask for answers to every question, and this is where you come in. So you would always have multiple streams of income because people know that you always get audience. So even when YouTube is not paying you yet, other organizations or companies could sort for your influence on their product. So it is actually one of the best you could think about on YouTube. It is easy monetization, and it is always very easy to get content because there are so many ideas on the how-tos. Just make sure that you niche down on an area that you are vast about, an area that you can give much value on. The next is prank videos. Are you funny? Do you know how to tell jokes? Like make a story while telling jokes? This is where you should concentrate on. People are really getting a lot of money from comedy. The world is sad enough, as in people go to work, they come back, they're angry, they're tired, they just want to laugh it off. So most times they really want something that will make them ease up, and prank videos is one of them. Man, guys doing prank videos are making a lot of money. If I were funny, I wouldn't even be here. I'll be making prank videos. But really, I'm not funny, so I can't even try it. Brands will be sorting for your help, for your influence on their product. Small and big brands will be on your case. If you are funny, please don't waste it. We've treated 4 here. We've treated vlogs, reviews, education, and prank. I hope with this you'll be able to settle for the YouTube channel idea that you want to go into. Try to niche down on various channels that exist. You have thousands of them, so you could pick from any of them, but this is your guide as to which you want to settle for. It's time for our subscriber of the week shout out, and the subscriber of the week this time is Kelvin Enaimo. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining our YouTube family. We love you. Thank you for always being one of the first persons to watch and comment and like our videos. We love you. Please continue to soar high. Make sure you subscribe, guys, and drop a comment if you've decided on the kind that you like to start. I'd really love to share my other YouTube ideas with you. Like this video, as I'll be seeing you in the next.